Ok, ngàyនេះដែរខ្ញុំចង់បង្ហាញវីដេអូidol បាទជា idol របស់ខ្ញុំដែរហើយតើជា idol របស់បងប្អូនណាដែរបាទសូមជួយ comment ហើយជួយ share ផងព្រោះគាត់ចេញមកម្ដងនេះវីដេអូម្ដងនេះគឺពិតជាសំខាន់មែនទែនបាទសម្រាប់ប្រទេសជាតិយើងបាទហ្នឹងហើយគាត់និយាយពីចំនួនបាទរវាងកម្ពុជាថៃណាបាទហើយគាត់និយាយមានហេតុផលច្បាស់លាស់ត្រឹមត្រូវបាទទៅកាន់ពិភពលោកបាទអញ្ចឹងសូមបងប្អូនស្ដាប់ហើយនឹងជួយ share ចែករំលែកឲ្យបានច្រើនបាទតាមតែអាចធ្វើបានហ្នឹងហើយអរគុណ
Hello, my name is Wanda. I'm an artist from Cambodia. Today I'm not speaking as a performer, I'm speaking as a Cambodian citizen. As someone who loves this country and who believes the world needs to hear the truth. Because right now, Cambodia is being blamed for a conflict we did not start. Why does Thailand reject every offer for peace? From ICJ, from ASEAN, from United Nations. What are they afraid of if neutral parties step in? If they believe they are right, why not prove it? Why keep the conflict hidden? Why shut the door on the world? Okay, let me tell you what really happened. On May 28, global news agencies, Reuters, AP, reported that the first fatality happened that Thai soldier killed Cambodian soldier. That's not just our version. That's what the world saw. And yet, instead of opening the door to diplomacy, Thailand escalated. Since then, Cambodia has chosen diplomacy. We submitted our case to ICJ. Thailand said no. ASEAN offered to step in. Thailand said no. We welcome the United Nations. Thailand shut the door. Even when US President Donald Trump personally calling for ceasefire, Thailand walked out the door. 4 offer for peace, 4 rejections. Let's be real. Thailand economy 13 times larger than us. They have jets, tanks, warships. Cambodia does not. Why would we start a war we cannot win? As I am speaking now on July 27, something unthinkable. Thailand attacked and destroyed Pravihir Temple, a World Heritage Site, a symbol of Khmer soul and sovereignty. No bullet, no border, no grid should stain our 1,000 years old stone. Thailand once claimed that Pravihir belonged to them, but in 1962, ICJ ruled that Pravihir belonged to Cambodia. That decision came from highest neutral court on earth. It was final. But today, Thailand choose destruction over dialogue. They have always claimed Pravihir Temple was theirs. So why they bomb it? What does it say when a nation destroy a UNESCO protected site? This is no longer just a border dispute. This is cultural violence. This is historical erasure. The world needs to investigate this serious violation of international law as a war crime. This is bigger than land. It's a battle over truth. We have seen Cambodian workers beaten in Thailand. We have seen biased headlines without our voice. So I'm using my voice now. And I ask you to look clearly. Who fired the first shot? Who keep rejecting peace? And who benefit from this conflict? Cambodia chooses peace. We believe in dignity, in international law, and the truth. We are a small country. We carry the memory of genocide. We try to avoid war, not to create it. To the international media, please stop supporting Thai propaganda and start following the full truth. Thai leadership has rejected peace from ICJ, ASEAN, UN, even the US. But they keep spreading lies to control the story. Khmer people don't hate Thai people, but our voices is being ignored. This is not fair and dangerous. You have a duty to report both sides. Include Khmer voices. Ask harder questions. Life is at risk. From Cambodia, with strength, sorrow, and hope. Thank you.
យ៉ាងមិនដែរបងប្អូនក្រោយពីទស្សនាវីដេអូរបស់គាត់បាទគឺគាត់មាននិយាយមានផុសតាងបាទហេតុផលច្បាស់លាស់បាទរវាងចំនួនកម្ពុជាហើយនិងថៃណាបាទហើយគាត់ពិតជាស័ក្តិសមបាទស័ក្តិសមជាតារាកម្ពុជាបាទតារាល្បីទូទាំងពិភពលោកមែនបាទហ្នឹងហើយខ្ញុំក្នុងនាមជាកូនខ្មែរម្នាក់បាទពិតជាមានមោទនភាពបាទនៅពេលដែលមានអ្នកចម្រៀងបាទអ្នកចម្រៀងឬក៏តារារបៀបនេះឬក៏បែបនេះបាទខ្ញុំមានមោទនភាពណាស់បាទហើយសូមអរគុណបងប្អូនផងដែរបាទសម្រាប់ការចេញវីដេអូដ៏ល្អដ៏មានអត្ថន័យដ៏មានផុសតាងបាទសម្រាប់បង្ហាញពិភពលោកបាទហ្នឹងហើយអរគុណសូមជូនបងប្អូនមានប្រជាប្រិយភាពបាទបន្តទៀតបាទអរគុណបាទ